Hi everyone, today we are back with another natural remedy called the cloves. The cloves is one of the best natural remedy for using to attract so many things on yourself, to attract money, to attract favor, to attract rich friends. Cloves is the best answer for you. As I said earlier on, we use natural remedies to manifest whatever we want in our lives. We don't go to witch doctors. We don't do anything bad that is against God. God is the one who brought us these natural remedies to protect ourselves, to bring favor, to chase away negativity, to bring people of kindness and everyone and generous people in our lives, to bring friendship, good friends, to bring good men who have good intentions in our lives. So we always manifest using these natural remedies. As the previous video, we manifested using cinnamon. Today we are back with another natural remedy, that is the clove. So one of the ways to use the clove is when you're going to work. For example, you have a handbag, you have a wallet, put 2-3 pieces of cloves in your handbag and you go to work. Trust me, when you go to work, you're going to attract customers, you're going to attract money, you're going to attract favor from your customers, from your bosses. So you can put it in the handbag or you can move it within like your hands. For women, you can put it in the handbag. For men, you can put it in your wallet. So that's one of the ways to use the cloves. So you attract customers, you attract rich customers, you attract favor from your bosses, favor from your colleagues, favor from anyone within the environment. So for business people, you can soak cloves like for 3 days. After soaking it for 3 days, you can use it to mop your business. For example, in case you have a boutique of clothes, you can mop the floor. In case like you have like groceries, you can wipe those groceries using the cloves. Meanwhile, you are manifesting. Whenever you wipe, whenever you mop the floor, whenever you mop the salon, whenever you, like, as long as like you're a businesswoman or businessman, you can just keep on wiping the floor or keep on wiping on your products you sell with the cloves. And please, whenever you wipe, don't just keep quiet, keep on manifesting. I manifest for so many customers to come. I manifest for richness. I manifest for money. I manifest for favor from my customers. I manifest for good intentions from my customers. Just keep on manifesting. Just keep on talking. Just keep on saying the words that are very good and you mean it and you're very faithful about it. Don't use it and you'll be like, you have a second heart, like, but will it work? As long as you have a second guess, trust me, meaning you don't believe in it. So you just keep on manifesting, the same as like when you're praying to God. You just keep on manifesting to God. God, I like this. God, bless me with a car. God, bless me with a good house. Bless me with money. Bless me with rich friends. So whenever you use clothes, that's how you have to manifest the way you're manifesting whenever you're talking to God. As I said, God creates these natural remedies as human beings to use, but in most cases people don't tell you this because our grandmothers have been using this and have been rich. Our parents have been using this and have been rich, and we, the grandkids, are using it, and we are not keeping quiet with the information we are telling you. We are bringing it out. So another way to use cloves is place cloves under your pillow to ward off nightmares. Whenever you have nightmares, you can place cloves under the pillow, under the mattress, to help you get rid of those bad nightmares. But remember dreams. Cloves also helps you to remember the dreams except the one that provides you from sleeping. So whenever you have a nightmare, cloves can help you to get rid of those nightmares, and also helps you to remember what you dreamed about. But also cloves are very good in that it doesn't prevent you from sleeping. You can always have a good night's sleep, a very marvelous sleep. Cloves also, use cloves to banish negativity. You know, you can be in an environment with very toxic, yet people are talking bad about you, people don't like you, like it's always negativity around the people you're with. So cloves helps you to banish those negativity. When you place it under your pillow or when you move with it in your bag, it helps you to banish those negativity. Cloves, use cloves to protect yourself from harmful intentions coming your way. For example, some people, you know, we live in the world of harmful people. We live in the world of bad intention people. You can think like this is your friend, yet is jealous of you, yet is competing with you quietly without you knowing. So whenever you move with those cloves, they help you it protects you from those harmful intentions that comes on your way. And those harmful intentions are from within the people we live with. For example, the relatives, for example, with the friends, for example, with the neighbors. So those cloves helps you to protect you from that. So as I'm winding up with my video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Come back in the comment section and you tell me whether it has worked for you or it has not worked for you. But trust me, it's going to work for you. And always keep on using the cloves. Cloves is one of the best natural remedy that we can use. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. I love you all. Bye. See you in the next video.